Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to another episode of Over the Table's Random Reviews. Now, I did that intro because some of you guys in my last ghillie suit review said that you saw me pretty easily. Well, this time I tried to hide a little bit better. I haven't done it yet, but I'm going to try to hide a little bit better. And if you spot me, let me know down in the comments. If you don't, you're going to find out later on in the video exactly where I was hiding. I'm going to try to be a little bit more stealthy this time. This ghillie suit might make a difference. This is the cheapest ghillie suit you could find anywhere. It's not as heavy and thick as the other one. This is more of a lightweight version, but it seems really cool. It's about 15 bucks. I'll pop a link to it in the description. Let's open it up and check it out. Alright guys, so here is the package. It is pretty standard eBay packaging. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. Boom. Reviewed this knife. Very nice. Very nice, very sharp. You want to be careful not to slice any of the material in there. So we're just going to do the old cut and tear technique. Just the plastic on the outside. And here is the ghillie suit. You can see the colors are pretty nice. It's essentially basically just like a mossy oak or something type of camo, or like a real tree camo with little cutouts, so that way it breaks up your shape when you're hiding and makes you less visible, because it's got more material. It kind of blends in with the surroundings a little bit better than just traditional camo. In the package, you're gonna get what looks to be a hooded jacket with buttons, plastic buttons, very similar to the other ghillie suit that I reviewed. So you want to be a little careful with them, just because they're plastic and not anything super sturdy. You don't want to break the seams on there or anything. But you can see it comes apart. This thing is extremely lightweight. I am noticing there are drawstrings on the hoodie part. Yeah, should be one on each side. Yeah, so you can really tighten this thing around your head, make you way less visible. It doesn't go over your face though, like the other one. So you're gonna have to deal with that. Your face might be visible. And then what looks to be a nice pair of pants. These don't have a drawstring, but they are elastic, as you can see. I'm not sure what size I got. I think I went with a larger size. Again, a larger ghillie suit's always better than one that's too small. It should fit fine. I'm not a very large person. It doesn't look like it's a very large size of pants anyway, but you can see how the material really breaks up what's going on instead of just regular camouflage. It seems really well made. I'm not gonna lie. This material feels nice. It's probably not gonna pick up sticks and stuff like that other one did. It was very grabby, but this one seems nice. Very compact, very lightweight. So I don't think if you're out in the hot sun like I am here in Florida, I don't think it's gonna be too hot. It actually might be nice. So let's take it outside and try it on. Alrighty, so here we are in my backyard. Very similar. I'm sure you guys recognize what we've got going on here. I might just pick a slightly different angle here, just so it's not exactly the same. And then we're gonna try this thing on. Should be pretty cool. Alright guys, I don't know how well you can hear me, but here's the ghillie suit. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. I've got pretty normal clothes on at the moment. So yeah, let's start with the pants. Hoping it's not too small. Ooh, it might just be perfect. I don't think there's really a front or a back to this. No. Oh man. What's cool about ghillie suits is that they're very easy to put on over your regular clothes, so that way you don't have to change out of whatever you have on. You can just throw this over the top and you're good. I clearly picked literally the perfect size, because this fits on very nicely. Oh, very nicely. Wow. I feel like I just got very camouflaged very quickly. Wow, guys. And this is a $15 ghillie suit. Wow. Oh, it's elastic around here, so that way, wow, the coat actually stays on you very, very tightly. It's definitely snug. All right. All right, guys. It's honestly so light. I don't even notice that I'm wearing it. It feels like a very thin or light long sleeve shirt, and then pants feel absolutely no different because I usually wear long pants anyway. But I feel like I'm pretty fairly camouflaged, especially if I pull this hood over my head. Oh, you can tighten it down. Wow, you can tighten this thing down. In all honesty, it kind of gets in your eyes a little bit, but you can see through it. It doesn't stay like that. You're gonna have to tie it, but you tie this thing down. I feel like that really, I know my nose is sticking out, but I feel like that really camouflages you, because now it's a full face setup here. Wow, I gotta show you guys what it looks like looking through this thing. You can see, looking through, this mesh material makes it actually fairly easy to see through it. If I were trying to snipe or hide, play airsoft, this material, it is see-through enough to be able to make those shots, but also keep your face covered, which is fantastic. So I'm gonna go up next to those plants and see what I've got going on. My shoes, see if I can flex this one out. You can see, pick up a lot of plants that are on the ground, so those almost got their own camouflage. But let me go hide and see if you guys see me. This will be at the beginning of the video. You're gonna watch me get there right now. So let's go. Alright, we tried that spot. Try going back just a little bit. I ran into a spider web, but I feel pretty well hidden. Let me lay down on the ground for a second. All right. So, I obviously don't know what it looked like yet. I could imagine it's probably not bad. There's not as much green on here as there is in that background. That's why when I lay down a little bit more, it kind of brings those dark colors, the dirt colors, the dead leaves. It brings it all together. This thing is so comfortable though. Like, you could easily run in this thing. Way easier to run in this than it is the other ghillie suit. But the other ghillie suit does a great job at breaking up what a human being looks like and what to look for when trying to find somebody. But we might make some altercations to the other one to make it more camouflage. That might be in a future video, so subscribe, stay tuned for that. This is a $15 ghillie suit, and I definitely think it's way better than a $15 camouflage t-shirt. This will definitely keep you hidden. It's not bad. It does a great job. These look like leaves. It's nice. It's comfy. I like it. $15? Are you kidding me? You guys have to buy this. Like, They're not paying me. They didn't give this to me for free. If you want to get into ghillie suits and being stealthy, even when you're playing Manhunt or hide and seek with your friends, $15 will get you this. This will take you a step above most people for $15, the price of like 2 meals at McDonald's. This is insane. It's so nice. I'll pop a link to it in the description if you want to get your own. I'm impressed. It's got my seal of approval for sure. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button below. I might get some more ghillie suits for you guys in the future. If you want to check out the last video, it's up there. If you want to check out the playlist with lots more future reviews, it's over there. Have a great day, everybody, and as always, don't get shot.